Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves isosceles triangle. I recommend pausing this video and solving the problem on your own, then comparing your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. In the triangle shown below, AB is congruent to AC and angle A equals 44 degrees. What is the value of angle B? Well, since AB and AC are equally long, we have an isosceles triangle. As a result, the angles opposite the legs are equal. Let's call their value x. We know that angle A equals 44 degrees, and the sum of all the angles in every triangle equals 180 degrees. So we have 2x plus 44 equals 180 degrees. We divide this equation by 2 to get x plus 22 equals 90, which gives us x equals 90 minus 22 equals 68. X is actually the value of angle B, and that's it. The answer is D. Great. Such problem can be solved easily in less than 1 minute so that you can save time for more difficult problems on the test. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.